If English isn't your first language and you want to listen to it and understand it as well as speak it in a way that is natural sounding, then this is for you. In previous videos, I looked at word stress, and in this video, I'm going to be following up by talking about sentence stress. When we are in natural everyday conversations, that is called connected speech. And there are certain words in our sentences that are stressed, whereas others are not. In this video, we're going to be looking at what words to put emphasis on when we speak. Sentence stress is known as prominence. Sentence stress is putting emphasis on the words in a sentence that carry the most important meaning. In connected speech, we stress content words. These are the words that carry the most important meaning. We say these words louder, slower, and with more strength than function words, which we say quickly and softly because they don't have any real meaning on their own. The types of words that are thought of as content words are nouns, principal verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, if I were to say, "You're learning English to do business with the world." You're learning English to do business with the world. Which of the words were stressed as I said the sentence? Remember, in connected speech, we don't stress function words. These words have little meaning on their own, but are important for keeping the sentence together. The types of words that are thought of as function words are articles, particles, conjunctions, pronouns, auxiliary verbs, and prepositions. Now, it is possible to stress function words in certain cases. Stress function words when they stand at the end of a sentence. A second case in which we sometimes stress function words is to contrast situations. And finally, a third case in which we sometimes stress function words is when we are talking about imperatives. Now, to remind you, sentence stress is about putting emphasis on the words in a sentence that carry the most important meaning. When you're speaking or you're listening to others speak, pay attention to those words that carry the most important meaning. When using sentences in natural, everyday conversations, those are the words that are stressed. If you found this useful, please like and share it, and subscribe to my channel for new videos on English for non-native English speakers. I'm also inviting you to join my private Facebook group where I provide support and exclusive content. You can access that using the link below. I'm also inviting you to check out my free training video for persons who are interested in improving their English communication skills, going from the intermediate level to the advanced level. Until next time, this is Marcia. It was my pleasure to serve you English on a platter. Bye-bye.